All right, let's say you're looking for a beautiful park model. This is the one we call the BERTHA Amish Built Park Model. Beautiful. Got the dark stain on the outside. You got your screened in porch. You go inside, you got the light stain with the dark floors. Big windows. You got big double windows there. Vinyl easy clean double pane. Got your kitchenette. All open concept. Got a loft upstairs, bedroom downstairs. Look at that big old bay window, all that natural light. It's a beautiful day out here in Indiana. Look at this, only $85,000 as it is. Fully loaded. Electric plumbing, heating, cooling tubs, toilets, and sinks. This is all regulation size appliances. General Electric dishwasher. You got your regulation size Frigidaire stove. Whirlpool, regulation. And then we'll include a refrigerator too, but we don't have one in this because it's just a sales lot. But when you order yours, it will come with a refrigerator. Over here in this little nook, this is where you got your 20-gallon water heater, or we can go tankless, and then you can put some extra storage stuff up here. That's where your bathroom's at. There's your sink, there's your toilet, full tub. It's kind of dark in here because I don't got electric hooked up to it yet. We just got this one on the lot, but there you go. And then, of course, you got your spot here for your stackable washer and dryer. There's your hot and colds, blues and reds. Got your PEX running behind the wall. This already got your electric running throughout it. Okay, isn't that pretty? Over here, you got your steps that go up to your lofted area. And then you got your privacy door here for your downstairs master, which can easily fit a queen size or full size bed. You got another mini split here. There's your electrical panel. And if you noticed, we got a mini split over here as well. So you got your heating and cooling is already ready to roll. Again, this is just a little bar sold separately, a little furniture. The Amish like to show off their furniture, but just imagine that gone. That's where your TV's gonna go. Put some couches around here. There's your living room. And again, you got that nice indoor-outdoor flow. Get your grill out here. Get you a couple of rocking chairs, so hang out here, chillax. Then ready to go inside, chillax in here. Again, you got your loft. Let me show you the loft real quick. Poke my head up there, and I'll show you the outside of it. This is just a quick 5-minute tour. Okay, so you come up here. Again, up here you can put you a queen size bed. That can even fit a king. It's huge up there. And then on this side, you can put you a twin on this side. You see we got the electric, got the light switch up there. Beautiful. Tongue and groove, knotty pine walls and ceiling. Again, we went with the light stain on the walls and the ceiling to make it look bright and airy. We put the big bay window in here. Again, it's all about light walls and dark floors, right? The dark floors will make the light walls and the light ceiling pop, and the big windows will make everything feel nice, open, and airy and spacious, right? When you're in a smaller home, you don't want to feel like you're in a small home. You want to feel like it's spacious and very livable. And another thing, right when I walked in here, I'm a tall fella, I'm 6'6", and one of the things I love the most about this is them high ceilings. Look how high that is to the peak. That's like 11 foot to the peak. So that's way up there. I'm 6'6", y'all, almost 6'7", and I ain't nowhere near hitting the top of that. Same with the porch. See that? It's like 11 foot up there. So again, you want it to be convenient and efficient. Keep your bills low as far as heating and cooling, but you want it to feel spacious. You don't want to feel like you're squeezing a sardine can. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I love about these homes, the way the Amish build them. They build them to live in them full time. They build these to live in them full time. They're very livable, very functional, very efficient, and most importantly, they're built to last. Okay, they're built to last. So let me now take you and show you, go out the screen-in porch, show you what it looks like on the outside. Like I said, I'm just making a little 5-minute video. Everybody's in a rush these days, but look how pretty that is. You got the dark stain on the outside and then the light stain on the inside. And again, this one's for sale. This is $85,000. Again, it's called the BERTHA. It's going to be on the website under Park Models. This one on the lot is for sale for immediate purchase. It's ready to ship. But let's say you want something custom. Let's say you want different color siding, different color roof. Instead of this black metal roof, you want different colors. Give us a call. Let's do a custom one for you. No big deal. Let's do a custom one for you and get one on your land, okay? Beautiful. Again, the dimensions of this, the porch is 8 foot by 11, and the length and width is 11 foot by 44 foot. You got your trailer hitch here. Now, I will tell you this. You're welcome to come pick them up once we build them for you to save on shipping, but you ain't gonna pull this with no small truck. This thing is built heavy, it's built to last. This was brought in by a semi, so if you wanna pull it, you're gonna bring a big truck, probably a 350 or better to pull this. Okay, you ain't gonna pull this with no S10, you know what I'm saying? So give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you're interested in this one we call the BERTHA Park Model RV. And remember, we can build them on wheels like what you see here, and this is RVIA certified, or we can build it off wheels. Let's say you just want to put it on a permanent foundation and so it stays put. We can build it on or off wheels. Just let us know what you want, and myself and the Amish and the Mennonites, we can make it happen. Again, this one is $85,000 as is. Give us a call today, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Thank you for watching my channel. Again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, share, and follow button. And if you're a Gen Xer or a baby boomer, don't forget to tell me what year you was born below so I know I got my peoples watching me. I'm a 1979 cowboy. Where's all my Gen Xers and baby boomers at? Comment below what year you was born. I like to see I got my age range watching me, not just the young bucks. Where's my OGs at? Holler at me now. Love y'all for watching my content. Hit the like, share, and follow. Share it with your friends. Tell them all about AmishBuiltCabins.com and the Cabin Cowboy, baby. You already know, baby. Country life, baby. That's the only life for me. You better believe it, baby. Stop playing with me now. Come back and see me now, y'all. Be blessed.
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm going to get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm going to talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so but we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some, I'm gonna go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy. Very handy. Yes.
Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
Some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model. And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept,
cool.
which I think really kind of looks very, it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, you know,
Yeah,
in
it
this.
feels truly like home, or if you, I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
investment if you want to do that, which a lot of our customers does that. The walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right? Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's going to make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
now, as you pass the bathroom, we just shown, this is your bedroom over here.
electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your
Absolutely.
windows. Again, windows galore, guys. From the top of the ceiling to the bottom, you see all those
Also
windows.
like
The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well.
Absolutely.
And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the
I'm not sure what that is.
cedar trim, and then you have an electrical outlet down there. And I just love it. It's like I said, it's like that Scandinavian look to it. Just absolutely beautiful. You can kind of see the size of it now that we're out here. Nadia is about 5'2", 5'3", so you can kind of see how large the structure is. And again, we can either build it with a hitch on a trailer, on a 4-axle trailer system, or we can build it on skids if you just want to put it on a permanent foundation. All right, guys. All right. We got a new promotion we're getting ready to launch right now. The Amish and I have been talking, and we wanted to do a fun, exciting promotion for you guys. So we're going to be doing a free $3,000 gas card for anybody who purchases one of our cabins. Now, remember, when you call, not all the cabins we do are going to be qualified for the free gas card. The Big Bertha 3.0, the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. These are two of the cabins that qualify for the $3,000 gas card when you order one of these cabins. Now, we got a whole list of other ones that qualify for the $3,000 gas card, but make sure you reach out to us to let us know which one you're interested in, and we'll be able to let you know if that cabin qualifies for the $3,000 gas card when you purchase one of these cabins. So again, great promotion myself and the Amish are doing on certain cabins that this specific community builds. They want to offer a $3,000 gas card. Okay, so you buy this one, for example, the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. You buy the Big Bertha 3.0. This is two of the cabins that this particular Amish community makes. So they're like, hey, let's thank the people and offer them a $3,000 gas card if you purchase either this one or this one. And like I said, there's many others on the website that qualify for this $3,000 gas card. So make sure you reach out to us at 812-595-4033. Again, ask for me, OC, or Nadia. Again, at 812-595-4033. give us a call and ask us to see if you're interested in either one of these two models, or if you found another model on the website that you are interested in, make sure you reach out to us so we can let you know if the model you found qualifies for a free $3,000 gas card. $3,000, that's a lot of money.